Load your family into the 2014 Mazda CX-9. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Mazda prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by leather upholstery, a trip computer, front fog lights, power moonroof, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power rear cargo door, and a blind spot monitoring system. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Mazda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.